So now you are. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, that was so fire. Wave to the cam. Don't just walk by. Oh my, I'm feeling high. My money's gone, I'm all alone. Too much to see, the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge was your wealth, then it would be well earned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, on and on and on and on. Yeah. On and on and on and on. I go on and on and on and on. On and on and on and on. Check. You sent me a text and it's all caps. I'm wondering why the fuck I ain't called back. Ain't even ask how I'm doing. If conversation is moot, I go to sleep because my night is just ruined. I'm feeling helpless, I need an advisor. Spending time when I've been thinking of a safety deposit. Question your logic when you start acting up and calling me stupid. Messing with a nigga like me, what the fuck were you doing? But look at how we done got here. From crazy nights when I dry tears rolling down your face when it's not fair. For me to take the blame when it's not clear who's standing in the wrong. But because I keep the peace and it's ideal, I'm trapped between a rock and a hard place. From telling me that you want space and I just acquiesce to that request and try to act like it's all fake, but knowing well that it's too late. I'm trying to find new ways of dealing with stresses. Utopia, new place for shit I'm addressing. The picture gets clearer with better lenses, so I'm focused on blessings. I think my lessons always come and I'm reckless, but shit, I'm tired of it. Shit. You say you need me on this side end, but you just leave me undecided. Yeah. When you keep me on the side end, you keep feeding on my pride and head. You say you need me on this side, no, but you just leave me undecided. Yeah. When you keep me on this side, no, you keep feeding on my pride. And darling, I can't take this shit no more, no. So darling, I can't take this shit no more, no. So darling, I can't take this shit no more. So darling, I can't take this shit no more, no. So darling, I can't take this shit no more, no. Shit, I missed that one. Like, I missed that last note. Like, I wanted to go in like Villa and just catch it like proper, but like, you know, it's all good.